Hello students, today in this video I will explain you revision exercise. See question number first, write the following symbolically. So you have to use symbols and first part is half the sum of x and 7. First of all you will write sum. Whose sum you have to write? Sum of x and 7. Sum means plus, so you have to add them. X plus 7 when we will do, final answer is x plus 7 only. We will not be able to solve it further because here it is alphabet and here alphabet is not there. So x plus 7 answer will be as it is only. We will not be able to solve for further. Now what is said? Half the sum. What is that? Half the sum. That means half you will write as 1 upon 2. Bracket sum. After half what is written? Sum. What is sum? Sum is x plus 7. So in the bracket you will write x plus 7. So final answer is 1 upon 2 bracket x plus 7. Or you can write like this also. Sum of x and 7 means x plus 7. Half means upon 2. So in the full denominator you will take upon 2. Like this also you can write. Both the ways are correct. You can use anyway. Now come to next part. Second part. 5 subtracted from the product of 17 and z. So first of all you have to write product. Product of 17 and z. Product means multiply. So 17 multiply z when we will do, answer will be 17z. Now what is the question? 5 subtracted from the product. Subtract question rule is there. What is the rule? The thing which is written after from, that we have to write first. That means 17z is the product. So we will write this 17z first. From this we will subtract. What we have to subtract? 5. So this is your final answer. So final answer is 17z minus 5. Now third part. 11 added to thrice the sum of m and p. So first of all you have to write sum. Sum means plus. Whose sum you have to find? M plus minus p. Here double sign are coming, so we have to take bracket. We have to find the sum of m and minus p. So that's why we had put here plus sign in between them. Now we will open this bracket. M plus and minus will become minus p. Now sum is m minus p. 11 added to thrice the sum. Thrice the sum. So what you have to write? Thrice the sum. Thrice means 3 multiply. Thrice means 3 multiply. Sum. Sum is m minus p. So this m minus p sum you have to write in the bracket. Now we will multiply this 3 with both the terms. 3 into m, 3m. Plus minus, minus. 3 into p, 3p. If you will not open this bracket, then also your answer will be correct. Okay. So we had opened the bracket here, 3m minus p. Now what is the question? 11 added to thrice the sum. 11 added to thrice the sum. So according to question, in the question what is said? 11 is added. You have to add 11. In which number you have to add 11? Thrice the sum. What is sum? M minus p. If you will not open this bracket, you will not do this step, then how you will write? You will write, in the question he said you have to add 11. That's why here I had written plus 11. So in which number we have to add 11? Thrice the sum is written in the question. Thrice the sum. Thrice the sum means 3 into m minus p. So this is 3 into m minus p. Here I have not put plus multiply sign in between these. So that means multiply only. If I will write here multiply, then also it is correct. If I will not write here multiply, then also that means 3 multiply, because bracket is there na. Bracket means 3 into m minus p. Okay, so this is your final answer of third part. In your answer sheet, what is given? In your answer sheet, 3m minus p plus 11, like this only it is given, multiply sign is not there, so it's your choice. Bracket means multiply only, it's your choice whether you put multiply sign here or not. So like this you have to do question number first third part. Now see fourth part. Sum of a and b. First of all we will find sum. Sum means plus, so a plus b we will do, this is the sum. This sum is divided by -3. So in the question what he said, according to question, in the question he said we have to divide this sum. Sum means a plus b, divide means upon. So in the full upon we have to write -3. So this is your final answer. In your answer sheet it is written as 1 -1 upon 3 bracket a plus b. This one or the thing which is given in the question, -1 upon 3 a plus b, both are same. You can write like this also or you can write like this also, both the ways are correct. Here this 3 is coming under upon means in the denominator this 3 is coming, and where I had written this 3 in the denominator only. Okay, and this minus sign, either you put this minus sign in the denominator or you put here in the numerator with -1, that also it is correct. So you can use any method, both the ways are correct. Either you write like this or you write like this, both the ways are correct only. Now come to second question. Question number second, first part. X value is given 3, y value is 1, z value is -4. You have to find x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So first of all what you will do, x square you will write it as x multiply x, plus y square you will write as y multiply y, plus z square you will write as z multiply z, plus 2. After 2 no sign is coming, so that means here we have to take multiply x. After x no sign is coming, so here we will take multiply y. 2 multiply y multiply z, 2 multiply z multiply x. Now we will put the bracket values of x, y and z. X value is 3 into 3, y value is 1, so 1 into 1, z value is -4, so -4 into -4, but here we have to take bracket because minus sign is coming, that's why we will take bracket, plus 2 into x, x value is 3 into y, y value is 1, plus 2 into y, y value is 1 into z, z value is -4, -4 is coming, that's why we will take bracket, plus 2 into z, z value is -4, so in the bracket multiply x, x value is 3. Now what we have to do, multiply we have to do, this multiply, this one, this one, this, these all multiplication we have to do. 3 into 3 9, plus 1 into 1 1. Now here we have to check the sign, plus minus minus, minus multiply minus, plus 4 4 ja 16. Now here no minus sign is coming, so we will write this plus as it is. 2 3 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. Now plus 2 is having plus sign, and here with 1 no sign is coming, that means it is plus only. So here in the multiplication 2 sign you will observe, here it is plus and here it is minus, plus minus minus, 2 1 ja 2, 2 into 4, 2 4 ja 8, so here we will write -8. Now we will come to this bracket, here it is plus multiply, here it is minus, plus minus minus, no other minus is coming, so plus minus minus we will write here. 2 4 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Now what we will do, these all numbers are having plus sign on the left hand. These all numbers are having plus sign, so we will add them. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 16 will be 26, 26 plus 6 32. Now these two terms minus and minus, so minus minus plus, so we will add them. 24 plus 8 we will do 32, but you have to remember that minus and minus is plus, so we had added them, but you have to put the sign of greater number among them. Which one is greater? 24, and 24 is having minus, so here we will write minus sign, and 32 minus 32, answer is 0. So like this you have to do question number second, first part, and you have to do the remaining part also. Like this also only you have to do all the remaining parts of question number second. Now all of you see question number third. Third question. If x is equal to 1, x value is given, x is equal to 1. Find the value of the following polynomials, and in the bracket it is written if any. If any means if in the question polynomial is given, then you have to find the value, and if in the question polynomial is not given, then you will not have to find the value. So first part, 3x square minus 7x plus 9. This is the question. First of all, whether you have to whether this is a polynomial or not, you have to check it. All the alphabets are coming in the numerator. Since all the alphabets are coming in the numerator and all are having plus power, x power is plus 2, x power is plus 1 only. So such polynomials, such equations are known as polynomial. So it is a polynomial. Now in the question he said if given equation is a polynomial, then you have to solve it. So what we will do, we will solve it. 3 into x square, x square means x into x, 2 times we will multiply, minus 7 into x power 1 is there, here no power is given, that means only 1x is there, so here we had written only 1x plus 9. Now we have to put the value of x. 3 into x value is 1, 1 into 1 minus 7 into x, x value is 1 plus 9. Now we have to multiply these three numbers. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 minus 7 1 ja 7 plus 9. Now in the next step, 3 minus 7 we will do. 3 minus 7 answer will be minus 4 plus 9 we will write as it is. Now minus 4 plus 9 answer will be plus 5. Why plus 5? Because minus plus minus. So 9 minus 4 answer will be 5. Which one is greater among them? 9 is greater. So 9 is having plus sign. That's why we will put here plus 5 sign. Now like this you have to do part number first. Now see another part number fourth. Fourth part is x power 7 minus 7x power 5 plus 27x square minus 35 upon 19x cube. This is the question, and in the heading it was given. First of all, you have to check whether this equation is a polynomial or not. If this equation will be polynomial, then you have to solve it. So here alphabet is in the numerator, there also alphabet is in the numerator, here also alphabet is in the numerator, but here alphabet is coming in the denominator and alphabet is coming in the denominator. So what we will do, we will bring this alphabet in the numerator. When we will bring this alphabet in the numerator, power will become negative. This is x power 3, but when we will write here, it will be written as x power minus 3. So we will say it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? because alphabet is coming in the denominator, and when we will write it in the numerator, its power will be negative, and negative power means it is not a polynomial. Since it is not a polynomial, we will not solve it. We will not put the value of x, because in the question he said you have to solve only when the equation is polynomial. So like this you have to do question number 3, remaining parts also. Now rest of the questions I will explain you in the next video. So you all have to do all the parts of question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd.